Hi everyone. In this video tutorial we have a questions that we need to find the red area of the triangle BDE. So we have the length of AB which is equal to 12, the length of AD which is equal to 24, and the length of CE which is equal to 10. Okay, so it is not really difficult. This question is quite easy. We just have to find the whole area of the rectangle ABCD. So the area of ABCD, which is equal to AB times with AD, then which is equal to 12 times 24. Okay, then that will be equal to 288. Okay, so then as we can see that we have the red area, which is the triangle BDE, equal to the whole area of the rectangle, which is area of ABCD, minus the area of triangle ABD, and then minus the area of triangle CDE. Okay, the area of ABCD, which is 288, minus the area of triangle ABD, which is 1/2 AB times with AD, and then minus 1/2. So the area of triangle CDE, which is 1/2 CE times with CD. Okay, so CD, which is equal to AB, 288 1/2, AB which is equal to 12, and AD which is equal to 24, minus 1/2, CE which is equal to 10, CD which is equal to AB, so that will be 12. Okay, then equal to 288 minus 288 divided by 2, and then 120 divided by 2. 288 minus 144 minus 60. So the answer would be 84. Okay, so the area of triangle BDE, which is equal to 84. Now I have solved this question. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye. See you in the next video.